and welcome to a quick unboxing of this SkyRC D100 dual AC DC balance charger discharger. Let's just open it up like that and let's look inside. What do we have here? The phone, manual, okay, warranty, okay, and here it is. Let's start with this. Okay, it's an adapter, two because it's a dual charger, an XT60, another XT60, and one you can solder DINs or anything you want to solder to of those, and your power cord. Put those in parts. Let's put them inside, and here's the charger itself. Tape. Ta-da! Okay, so never use the charger unsupervised. Obviously not. Okay, so the two ports, the fan, AC and DC inputs. That's actually pretty cool. So you can solder another connector to put my 6S cell, so you can field charge it like that without using the car battery. Another fan, and that's it. Cool. Okay, so feeds. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, it's quite small compared to my other chargers. That one here. I expected it to be a bit bigger because now it's actually pretty much the same size as the X120, I think. Yeah. Oh. And so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you next video.